The Frigidaire 5000 BTU Window AC efficiently cools spaces up to 150 square feet, making it perfect for small rooms or apartments. With its quiet operation at 52 decibels, you can enjoy a peaceful environment without any noise disruptions. Effortless temperature control and 2 fan speeds allow you to maintain your desired room temperature with ease. A washable filter captures dust, ensuring that the air remains fresh and the unit operates efficiently over time. The auto restart feature is a convenient addition, automatically restoring previous settings after a power outage. Installation is simple with adjustable side panels and an extra long power cord, eliminating the need for extension cords.